Hey everybody, it's another edition of Insomniac Lock Picking here at 5:17 in the morning on a, I guess it's a Monday today. I've got a master lock number 5 here. This was on somebody's garage. She lost the keys. I tried to cut it off with some little bolt cutters and that didn't work, so she called me over to get it off. And this was actually, the hasp was actually on the bottom of the door, so this is actually sitting on the ground, you know, pretty much every time it rains, sitting in a puddle of water in Florida. So I was able to rake it and get it off. The pins were barely moving, so I'm going to try to single pin pick it. Yeah, I didn't lubricate it or anything, just everybody wonders why, just because I'm bored, I've got the lock and got nothing else to do. So what I'll probably do is single pin pick this thing and then maybe try to, you know, clean it in mineral spirits, or at least lubricate it, and just maybe just give it to somebody else who is maybe learning how to pick locks and would like to try out a master lock number 5. And I don't stay up on what pins are in these things, so I have no idea what's in it, other than it should be just, you know, 4-pin. I don't think it has security pins, but I don't know. And these pins are actually really difficult to move. Because they're just, this thing is probably just terrible on the inside. Just it's actually hurt my hand trying to get under this thing to push the pins. There we go. So there it is, single pin picked. Yeah, and you can see it's how you know, rusted that is in there. The light in there, it's pretty bad. You can see how rusted the shackle is and everything. You can hear it. So anyways, yeah, I'll clean this up and probably just send it to somebody if they want to try one out. Alright, well, that's all for now. I'll talk to everybody later.